New batteries installed. Plugs are fine. Need to put new plug wires on there. They're just bare open. I don't like that. And the wiring, I don't know exactly what they got going on here. The coil's not hooked up on one side. The solenoid's disconnected on one side. And need to fix that first before we go any further. Pulled the hood off a little bit earlier this morning. It's Friday, June 4th. Cleaned the gas tank out a little bit earlier. Still nasty. Might have to reline it. Maybe. Don't know yet. Find out after I drain this gas out. Radiator was full, so that's good. Oil looked good. Motor oil looked good. It was dark, but it had no milk in it. So that's a good sign. Starter was painted yellow for some reason, and this one left rear rim is yellow. The transmission housing top is kind of a green on the color. I'll keep on until we get the electricity right. I got a starter switch in the truck. Gonna try and fix some of this wiring on here first and figure out that before we go any further.